Hello. Hello. Here we go. Got news coming up. 7 minutes. Core PCE. I'm expecting not so good news, which potentially come back down further. Potentially break this low today. I like that this pulled up already. Hopefully it rejects this area and continues down. If it's good news, we'll probably continue up around here. If we can get maybe some closes up above this area, I'll probably enter a buy. And if we get some rejections in a resistance form, I'll be looking for a sell. Guess we'll see. This is my trade yesterday. Already getting a little move. Let's see. Whoa. This is why you wait. We got, ooh, not so good. Not much less than what was expected, though. Right back. Oh, getting a little push up. Wonder if this is just going to push up here and grab. If these numbers were expected, so it's not really going to move down much more since it already moved down so much over the last day. Then we're going to get a rejection here, continue up because we are at a pretty strong rejection area. I do have this in here that got respected pretty well. I rejected there, especially if we get this rejection and this closes bullish. I would expect us to continue moving up here, but we'll see. Otherwise, if we start seeing if we get this bullish candle close and I get a bearish one, then I'll definitely be looking for sells. But if this one closes bullish, then the next one creates a bottom wick and then breaks its high, I might look for some buys. to continue pushing up for the rest of the day, up to probably around here, potentially further. It is the last day of the month and the last day of the week. So this candle is already rejected all the way up here and rejected down here. If you look at my stream from yesterday, I talked about all these wicks here from yesterday, and we came up the day before yesterday, and then I anticipated this wick to match these ones, and it did. I took that trade. I got about 20 pips or so. To show you, I was right here. Started to move before the news, so I took this trade actually as this low was broken, anticipating it to continue down. I have my stop loss up here. Take profit was down here somewhere, but as it was moving, I decided to close as it was moving just to secure profits. I usually keep my take profit down pretty far and then just manage my trades as I'm watching them and close them when I feel like it. The take profit down here was just because I don't want it to be too low or too small, and then it gets closed up before I wanted it to. So I like to be a little bit further if I'm going to sit and watch. If I'm going to leave the charts, then I just have it in an exact spot that I want it to be at. So we'll see. It might continue going up today. This news might have been pretty much expected, and since we already had so much push down over the last day, it may actually just continue up around here for the day and end with a kind of one of these type of candles right here. So we'll see. Ooh. Okay, that's excessive. It's looking like it might go up the rest of the day. Got this hourly candle closed bullish, and we got this one came all the way down and rejected. Especially if this one closes bullish, I would definitely anticipate to continue coming up at least up here, which, I mean, it's 30 pips. You could easily grab 10 to 20 pips within that. To be safe, you could target up here even. I think it would be fairly safe to take a trade once this one closes, especially if it closes this nice big bullish 15-minute candle. It's just, if it closes, say, right here, your stop loss has to be pretty big, unless you just want to keep it down in this range to target up here. 13 pips stop loss and then like a 24 pip take profit. But I'm going to wait and see what happens here. I'm not going to jump into it. The news just came out. So just kind of waiting. Numbers were a little bit lower than expected, but not much. So, I mean, this is just indicating that spending is going down. Personal spending, of course, the consumer spending less. Inflation is deflationary. So deflationary is just kind of indicating that, the high interest rates are starting to work. So tends to go down because people anticipate that interest rates are going to start getting cut, which when interest rates get cut, people are going to take their money out of certain risk-free assets like bonds because they're not going to get as much return for those, which would cause USD to go down. But at the same time, there's been like FOMC members that are talking about, yeah, even though these numbers are looking better for inflation, that they're still going to keep the rates higher for longer. So, I mean, people may not be worried that they're going to cut soon, so it still might continue pushing up. But we're having a big rejection, which is kind of nice. We get a big rejection here and come down. Once this gets broke, I'll probably take a sell. So we'll see. All right, I'll leave soon too. Got a doctor's appointment. Hopefully I'll be able to get a trade in before I have to leave. Brat. Pretty good. I don't know if I'll be able to get one in. Dang it. Shoot. Gotta leave in like 10 minutes. Since I have to leave, I can maybe put a sell stop under here. If it comes back down here and breaks this low, I'd say it's a good chance that will continue down. Well, maybe I'll do that before I leave. Just where would I want my stop loss then? If I took a sell stop here, probably end up since there's a spread, this is at 2.7, so I'll probably end up down here. 10 pips would get me into this range, which not bad, but it's not really a safe stop loss because, I mean, this high is all the way up here. But could make it 20 pips up into here. You know, basically just because it shouldn't go back up to there and most likely won't if it's going to continue down. So then as it starts to move down, I can start moving my stop loss to be smaller to lower the risk on it. We'll see. 15-minute candle just closed. How did it close? Ooh, ugly, bearish. So I guess if I was going to do the sell stop, I could make it above this top wick. I gotta leave, dang it. Well, do I want to do that? Sell stop right here. Stop loss up here. Take profit. Probably. Let me see here. Just go into this chart. It's easier for me to use. Right here. I mean, just to down here is only 10 pips, so it's not the best, but if it's going to break, then it'll be fine. I kind of think it will if this is going to push down. If this area isn't going to be respected here, I think we'll continue to push down. But I gotta go. All right, I gotta go. I might put just a small risk sell stop here, since I have to leave the charts. All right, see ya.